2, 3. Oh, I need to work out more. Christ. Hello, this is Jake, and you join me today in my chill room. This is where I relax, watch telly, play the PlayStation, all that. So, we have an important video today. Well, because all these boxes, the new alloys have arrived, and oh my god, it's been a pain, but yeah, they've arrived. They're going on the Porsche 911 in a couple of weeks. And yeah, I'm gonna be explaining to you in this video a lot of plans that's happening over the next couple of days and weeks, because we gotta get this 911 ready. So we have 4 new alloys: 18.8, 18.8, 18.10, 18.10. So these are 2 forged. These are from Wheelbase. And of course, you all want to see the option I went with. So I'm going to set the camera up on the tripod and show you. Before we take a quick look, the new Formula 1 2020 game is out. So go and pick this one up. By far, the best Formula 1 game I've actually played. You can create your own team. It's great. I'm really enjoying it. Really fun. This is no way a paid promotion or anything. I've always been a massive fan of Formula 1. And the people who make this, Codemasters, they do a fantastic job. I've been playing their games now since the late 90s, and honestly, there's never really been a bad game from them. So do check this game out. It's great fun, really enjoying it. This is the Michael Schumacher edition. It comes with some DLC. Yeah, go and check it out. So we have 4 lovely new alloys, and of course you want to see them. Okay, so I just took one off top. Now this is the one. This is an 1810. Now these are for the rear, of course, because my Porsche 911 Targa has 8s on the front, 10s on the back. So what I'm going to do is we're going to swap these over with the tyres that's on my car on the Porsche in a couple of weeks. The tyres are fine for now, and then before we hit the winter, I'll put a 4 new set on. And we'll go from that. But yeah, I'm going to hopefully use the tyres I got. Also, yeah, purple valves. How cool are they? So they were off eBay. They look like £5. I couldn't believe it. Yep, they go really well with the plan of the car. Locking nuts. Proper, bolts nuts to put the wheels on. For these rings. Yeah, but let's just jump straight into this. So I have seen them, I've checked them over, just make sure everything was okay, because one box was pretty much crushed on one end. But yeah, all good. So, what do you think? These have been, well, they've been drawn to fit my car, my fitment of my 911. They should go on with absolutely no problems. So, I'm open today. We will test fit a rear and test fit a front, just to make sure the fitment's okay, and then they'll be put away for a couple of days until they're ready to be have the tyres fitted and fit to the car permanently, because the car will go off to be wrapped. And I think, I'm not 100% on this, but the guys who are wrapping it, Liquid Catch, I think they're going to do a video on it. They done a drone video with an Audi A3 they done, fantastic. And I did say to you could do that with the Porsche. So yeah, I'm hoping they'll do that. So I want to get the wheels sorted and everything. So that means the sports wheels that are on my 911 are actually up for sale. They're on eBay now. Got a couple of bids on them, and hopefully they'll sell this weekend. They go off in 2 days. So that'd be great. But yeah, I love them. They are great. So this is the 10s. This is for the back. These are from Wheelbase. I've been looking for a long time for wheels for my 911. Originally, I wanted bronze, but I just couldn't get any that was the right fitment for my car. As it was, these popped up and they're gunmetal. My original plan for my 911 was to have gunmetal wheels to match the carbon mirrors and everything. As it was, I saw a Porsche 911 in a dark metallic blue on YouTube, on Google, sorry, and it had bronze wheels on it. I was like, I gotta have bronze wheels on my 911. It's not worked out like that, unfortunately. I've gone for gunmetal. My original plan was gunmetal, like I said, so that'd be great. The caps in the middle will come out and I'll put the Porsche ones in, but the Porsche ones are going to be slightly customized to match the rest of the car. So here it is, our valves to go with that, so when these wheels are sent off with the tyres, we can get that all fitted and that will be great. I'm really looking forward to seeing these on the car. They're 10 spoke and yeah, they're just looking brilliant. Okay, so I thought I'd just give you a quick closer look before we take them down the garage. There you go. You can really see the gunmetal shine. And one of the reasons I went for this design, easy to clean. You can get your hand in there. So when you're cleaning these wheels, when they're on the car, after all the brake dust and everything, you can clean them very easy. And that's one of the downfalls with my sport wheels on my 911 now. Unfortunately, over the years, people have not cleaned the wheels like you should, and they are really showing some wear and corrosion. And it's a shame, really, because a car like that should be looked after, especially the wheels. So these are very easy to clean. That's the main reason I went for this design. If I could have went for bronze, I would have. I would have had bronze over gunmetal. But there's nothing saying I can't have these powder coated somewhere down the line. But for now, I'm happy with the gunmetal because, like I said, it will match the carbon on the car. But there you go. So they had to be drilled out, which took about a week to do. Normally, you just buy alloys, they go straight on your car. But because it's Porsche 911, because the back end's wider, you got a wide rear and everything, they have to be drilled out to fit the car perfectly. You don't want to drill it out, say they fit for your car and they don't. So when you go on Wheelbase, you can put in your car, year, model, all of that, and it will come up wheels that are compatible with your car. And that's exactly what I did. And these were compatible. So, and the look I was going for, I wanted a 10 spoke like this. Look, yeah, I wanted bronze, but I got gunmetal. It's okay, I can deal with that. And yeah, hopefully they just go straight on my car. We'll find out in a couple of seconds. Well, shall we jump to that now? Okay, we're gonna go down to the car in just a second. However, let me close this door. So this is my room. This is the room I done for relaxing, chilling, a bit of building models like the Titanic over there, the Trumpeter Titanic, very popular on my modelling channel. And I've done this room to relax. I have pictures up on the wall of, you know, my dog. Hugo. This one's actually just temporarily put up there because there was an hook and I didn't want to get it damaged. I didn't want the frame to get damaged up there, so it's temporarily put up there. It will be placed properly. However, we're going to have two lovely cabinets here, glass cabinets, and they're going to have a lot of these cars in. This is all my cars I've collected over the years. Some new ones like the 500 there. And my first one, my Porsche GT1 model car, had that in 97, Christmas. And I'm going to have two lovely cabinets, supercars all in, all my model cars. I have a cabinet in my bedroom now full of cars as well. And then this wall is going to be the supercar wall. The cars that I wanted throughout my life. And straight in the middle, we're going to have the best car of them all, the Lamborghini Diablo SE30 in the purple with the blue interior. That's going dead centre, right in the middle here. And then we're going to have other cars pasted around it, J220, Porsche 911, which I now own, dream come true. Obviously there'd be Ferrari, Lamborghini Huracan, Ferrari F50. Was never a fan of the F40, I know, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's just going to be a wall of supercars and I'm really looking forward to doing that. I got the photos ready, they just got to be sent off now, printed, and they'll be put on the wall in you know, style, fashion. And yeah, that's the wall of supercars. Maybe we'll put a Fiat 500 somewhere else, like up there, out of the way. So yeah, let's go down the garage and sort these wheels out. Okay, I'm down here in the carport. Just moved the Porsche out. So just a reminder, this is the wheels I got. This is original Porsche BBS Sport wheels, and yeah, I've never been a fan of them, so yeah, the back bumper's still off. Yeah, so these are coming off. We're going to do some test fitting, just to make sure the ones I bought fit okay. Then these will be put back on until the car is ready to be wrapped, and then we put the new ones on and everything. Back bumper has been sold, so if everything goes to plan, if it doesn't go to plan, I haven't got a back bumper because I've sold it now. But the one I'm buying should be here on the 17th, which is a Series 1 bumper, but we'll fit on there, no problem. We'll need a bit of tidying up, but that's okay. I'm well aware of that. I'll get that done. My friend will do it down the road. Skirts are being put on hopefully next week. We'll see. The skirts are over there with the wing, and then the wing will be put on ready for when the car goes for its wrap. Other than that, that's pretty much it. The wheels is what I was waiting for. Now the wheels are here. We'll make sure they fit. Once they do, next week I'm going to be doing videos on doing the calipers, because the calipers are going to be painted as well. At the moment they're black. Don't know if you can see them there. Yeah, there they are. They're black. They don't stand out that much. But with obviously these being so open, the calipers are going to be so much more on show. So they'll be painted up and they will look fantastic. I'm going with, wait for it, fluorescent green. Just want that colour, always wanted that colour caliper, and I think it'll suit these wheels very well as the actual colour of the car when it's all wrapped. Also mirrors, carbon fibre mirrors before the car gets wrapped. Hopefully they'll be here next week or the week after, so we'll have carbon mirrors on there ready for when the car's finished. And the rear lights of course, but they'll be changed after the wrap. As long as we get the cosmetics done, the skirts, rear bumper, wing, which I got all that now, well apart from the bumper. I got the wing, I got the skirts, we got the skirts up there as well for the Fiat Pop over there. So we'll get that sorted and then we can get it off wrapped. But let's set the camera up and test fit these wheels. That's where it don't come off now. Why would it be stuck on like that? And I have to get a new sticker. Look where the dust is. Yeah. From the wheel. Yeah, I think that's where it's been on the box, on the floor. Because the box got a nice ring on as well. Moment of truth. Obviously it's got to look harder about the tyre. So you got to make sure. Just do the bottom one a bit. Is that on? So we've test fitted them. Yes, they are fitting really well. They do stick out just a little bit more because of the offset, but nothing overly stupid. And when the skirts rear bumpers on with winglets, it will help with the stance of the car a little bit, so that's good. No need of spacers because it's already, you know, built into the wheels, so that's good. They look good on the car. You would have seen the pictures by now, would have edited that in. But yeah, all works really well. So the next thing is now, the wheels are going to be taken back up in the house, obviously, until about a week before we go. Car's going to be going down to my friend's. He's going to get the skirts on. There'll be a video on that, hopefully. And then we'll get the rear bumper sorted on the 17th. And then the idea is the wheels will be put on the car, drive it to Colour Catch, they'll wrap it, I'll pick it up on the 7th. I will be doing a visit in Yugo to just check up on the car, see how they're going on. They said it's fine, come and have a look halfway through the process, so that's good. I'm going to film a video on that. But yeah, so far everything's going to plan. There is one thing I do have to do. See the center console done now? That's got to come out of the car ready for its wrap, because that's going to be the same colour as the car. Because it's a liquid wrap, they're going to do the center console the same colour. I asked for that and they said yeah, that's easily done. So as long as I get that car ready for when it goes, that's fine. And I still drive the car like that, don't I? So I'll do that. But yeah, everything's going to plan. I'm going to need a new Targa badge. Originally I was going to have Targa and a small 911 here on the new wing. However, I think I'm going to go with a classic Porsche 911. Well, just Porsche deco across that. Because I'm putting a retro look on this car with the ducktail rear wing, I think if we have a nice Porsche deco across that fit in really well. No other decors are planned apart from maybe a stripe from the badge up to the top in carbon fibre, but we'll see on that. I'm not 100% set on that yet, because normally it would follow the car, go up over the roof, but we got the Targa, so can't do that. And then it would go down the rear wing, but that's not happening. The rear wing, I don't know if I can show you, but just here is going to be the decor, the emblem for the car, and not the Porsche badge. It's going to be the emblem. This car does have a name all planned out, and a slogan, I should say. So yeah, it should look really good when it's done. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you liked the wheels on the car, the pictures and everything. I did try getting them off myself. I can't get the nuts off. They were really tight. I got heart problems, like I said, so I can't really struggle too much. So got my brother down here. He helped me out. Thank you to him. Got it sorted, and we done some test fits and everything. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. The wheels are gonna go on. Can't wait. This is all going together as planned. My next worry is now just getting these skirts done. Once I get the skirts done and get that rear bumper here, because like I said, I haven't got a rear bumper at all now, so hopefully it won't fall through and everything. It's mine, so the guy's just waiting for his bumper to arrive, and then his friend's got to drop in. Because his friend comes this way, he's going to drop in the bumper off to me, so that'll be good. So yeah, that's an update on the wheels and everything. I did mention a new car coming. That might be the next video. We'll see. Don't get too excited. It's not a Porsche or Lamborghini or Ferrari. It's German made though, so it has some connection with the 911. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I will see you very soon with hopefully more updates on the Porsche and the new car. And yeah, bye for now.